How to turn off Gemini on Samsung phone. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily turn off Gemini on Samsung phone. So the first thing you have to do is locate where you can access Gemini. In my case, I can just swipe up from any bottom corner of my phone and it's going to pop up my new AI assistant Gemini. So in your case, it might be power button, or you might have to hold down your home button for a certain period of time to access it. Now let's see how you can turn that off. First thing you can do is find Gemini app over here. So what you can do is basically long press on the Gemini app, go to the app info, and in some cases you might be able to disable this or archive this. And in some cases, you are also able to uninstall it. So what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and archive this so that it's not available on my home screen. Now, if you want to reuse it back again, you can tap on the archive button to unarchive it. But even if I delete or unarchive that, I still am able to access Gemini from this corner of my screen. So basically, you just have to go to settings. Once you open up your settings menu, scroll down until you find advanced features. Go ahead and tap on it. Then you can find Bixby over here, and you can change Bixby settings here, but we want our Gemini or Google Assistant settings. So go to side button over here, and on the long press, I have power button menu and Bixby. So if you have Gemini available here, you can just choose the power off menu for Gemini. Now, in my case, what I can do is simply go ahead and find the option for motion and gestures. Then, in some cases, you should be able to find the setting over here to turn it off. Now, what you need to do next is simply go ahead and find your display settings. And in my case, I have it on my navigation bar, so I can just tap on navigation bar. And then you have this assistant app. So you can swipe inwards from one of the bottom corners to open your digital assistant. You can just basically turn this one off. Now you could also go ahead and change your digital assistant. Tap on default digital assistant. I'm currently selecting Google. You can select Google, Bixby, or you can just select none and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.